to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Boone County and north-central Illinois, north-central DeKalb County and north-central Illinois, southwestern McHenry County and northeast Illinois until 1:30 p.m. At 12:33 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Kingston, or near Genoa, and moving north at 5 miles per hour. Locations impacted include, mainly, the rural areas of northern DeKalb, southern Boone and southwestern McHenry counties. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.